Hundreds of bills have been pre-filed. Some of those include potential laws dealing with sports wagering, taxes or restrictions on vaping, changes to charter school laws, and possibly this year, medicinal marijuana.
Well, medicinal marijuana, I think there's certainly an appetite for that this session. I don't think we're quite ready to talk about recreational marijuana in Kentucky, but
the budget talks will be the big one.
Doors will remain
Governor
open.
Beshear will likely present his proposal in late January, and he's promised teacher raises will be included.
I think that if that's the governor's priority, that he will do what is necessary to make sure that remains the priority for the legislature.
Lawmakers will gavel in at noon on Tuesday, and by law, they must adjourn following a veto session at midnight, April 15th. In Frankfort, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
We tried to get statements from the House Speaker and Senate. Both are Republicans. Neither responded to our request.